Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can overlay a video on CapCut. To do that, you're just going to choose overlay and add in like the video or picture you want. For instance, I want to add this, so select it and press add. Just going to sort of zoom in and I'm just going to select the part that I want. So press split, just drag it to the beginning of the video, like so. And then I'm just going to sort of split it again. And I'm just going to adjust it so the heart is in the middle, like so. The video isn't that long, so I'm just going to speed it up a little. That's good enough. Then go to splice, and here you can add like these like filters. So adjust which one you like. For instance, the like filter one, you can also adjust the opacity of it. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!